Hello everyone, welcome to Little Explorers. Independence Day speech to all students. Let's discuss why Independence Day is so important. Independence Day is the most significant day in the history of India because it reminds us of the bravery and struggle of our freedom fighters. On this day, we pay homage to our fighters who fought for and gave up their lives for our independence. Since then, we are celebrating our Independence Day every year on 15th August. It is considered as a national holiday and all the organizations and institutions host the national flag and organize cultural functions across the country. This day is celebrated to ignite the feelings of nationalism and patriotism across the country. Every citizen has a different viewpoint of independence. A youngster takes this day to celebrate the glory and strength of the country, while for others it is a reminder of the long suppression and cruelty that our people suffered. It's not only a celebration of independence but also of the unity with the diverse culture of the country. How we got our independence? For about 2 centuries, the Britishers managed to rule over us. Also, the residents of the nation endured a lot because of these oppressors. British authorities deal with us like slaves until we figure out how to retaliate against them. We battled for our freedom yet worked vigorously and magnanimously under the direction of our pioneers Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh. A portion of these pioneers picks the way of violence while some picks non-violence. The definitive point of this was to drive out the Britishers from the nation. Furthermore, on 15th August 1947, the hotly anticipated dream works out as expected. Activities and cultural programs on Independence Day. To celebrate this day, a ceremony is held at Red Fort in Delhi, in which the Prime Minister and President of the nation address entire country and host the tricolor flag. After flag hosting, 21 gunshots are fired in honor of the occasion. This is the beginning of the main event. After that, lots of acts and cultural activities are performed to show the diversity in unity and strength of our country. A parade of all the Indian forces takes place. What is different on 74th Independence Day 2020? This year, the celebration of Independence Day would be different as we know the entire world is facing a pandemic crisis. There are orders from the center to all states to avoid large gathering and keep wearing a mask and social distancing while celebrating Independence Day. There is news that they will invite the warriors like doctors, nurses, health and sanitation workers in the ceremony as a recognizing of their noble service in the fight against COVID-19. They might also call those people who have recovered from COVID-19. The plans for celebration this year is fewer people, social distancing, wearing masks, and use of technology to maintain these things. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked the people of India to take the place on this Independence Day to fight pandemic and to make India free of it, and to make sure that every citizen works for self-dependent Atmanirbhar Bharat, India. A day worth celebrating for which our ancestors have shed their blood and have struggled a lot. But are we truly justifying the struggle and hard work of our freedom fighters? We should rethink about it and should work towards actual freedom of the people of the country by helping them and making them self-dependent and capable enough to support not even themselves but also the country. This Independence Day we should dream of India which is strong and powerful and have the capability to face any problem with unity. Thank you. Thank you for watching this session.